Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the D3D11 Compatible GPU error. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the Start menu and search for Adjust the Appearance. Select Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. In the window, click the Advanced tab, then under Virtual Memory, click Change. Make sure Custom Size is selected. Set the initial size to 10 to 24. For the maximum size, multiply 10 to 24 by the amount of RAM you have. For example, if you have 32 GB RAM, 10 to 24 multiplied by 32 equals 32786. Enter these values, click Set, and confirm with Yes. If the error persists, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand Display Adapters, locate your graphics card, right-click it, and select Disable Device. Confirm, then right-click it again and choose Enable Device. After these changes, restart your computer. So that's basically how you can fix the D3D11 Compatible GPU error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.